Today's Linux command line tip is going to be directory navigation. So how do we know where we're at in the Linux file system structure? So there's a command you can type in called PWD, and PWD stands for print working directory. So if you enter PWD, it'll print the directory that you're currently in. And in our case right now, we're in the home radio signals directory. So let's say you want to move forward or move backwards, you would type a command called CD, which stands for change directory. But we first have to figure out exactly what the contents of where we're at right now. So if we type in ls-l, this will give us the contents of the directory. And as you can see, there are three different subdirectories within our radio signals directory: my files, super long directory name, and TMP. So if we wanted to move into any one of those directories, we would type the cd command, or change directory, followed by the directory name. So we want to go into the my files directory. We would type that and confirm where we're at by typing pwd, and as you can see, we've moved forward into that my files directory. Now let's say we wanted to go back. So if we wanted to go back one directory, we would type in cd space ... and then pwd again, and it confirms that we did move backwards. And we can again list the contents of the directory right now. So let's go into my files again, and you can actually string directory names together. So if you wanted to go into my files, and if you hit that tab button, it'll bring up the subdirectory within the my files directory. So now let's see where we're at by typing pwd again. So we're in home, radio signals, my files, another directory. Just by typing the pwd command, we can exactly figure out where we're at. So to go backwards, again, you would type in cd ... and that would get us into the directory before that. And let's say you just want to go back to you don't know where you're at, you don't want to sit there and type commands all the time, you just want to go back to your home directory. So you would just type in cd without anything, and that will get you back into your home directory. So again, to move forward, you would type in cd and the directory that you're looking for, and to move backwards, you would type in cd space ... and that would get you into the previous directory. And to get you back into your home directory from any directory within the Linux file system, you would just type in cd alone, not followed by the ... or anything else. And that's it for today.